Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5 and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died.
I work in a travel agency now. Before that, I worked in a department store.
We invited them to our party, but they decided not to come.
The police stopped me on my way home last night.
Laura passed her exam because she studied very hard. Did you go out last night?
Yes, I went to the cinema, but I didn't enjoy the film much.
When did Mr. Thomas die?
About 10 years ago.
They didn't invite us to the party, so we didn't go.
Did you have time to do the shopping?
No, I didn't.
What did you do at the weekend?
I didn't do anything.
I was angry because they were late.
Was the weather good when you were on holiday?
They weren't able to come because they were so busy.
Did you go out last night, or were you too tired?